Another great day here at Willies and Akins, y'all. Hope you're doing great. We've got Clay coming down the hill right now in Chad Edge's Diamond 2022 F250 Covert Edition. Chad's a great guy. He basically just is like, real deal, do it like he did last time and make it a little bit better. So I love in that he gives us the ability to customize and do things the legit way and the best way we see fit, because we do it all the time. Check this out.
Perfect.
Here comes Clay. I know he's smiling, y'all. He's got to be loving this truck. Oh yeah. So the rolling shots are really the appetizer. I love to show y'all rolling shots. And I know Clay filming behind us, he loves this rolling shots too, because he gets to roll in these rides. We did the Raptor, the 450, and the 250. So he's smiling right now, y'all. So we've got 2022 Chad, a great customer. Dude, he buys so many vehicles from us. He always wants to customize, which we truly love. A great repeat customer. Dealt with Stony Bird for a long time here as well. So thanks so much to Chad for your repeat business and your trust in us of like, real deal, do your thing on this and let's roll with it. I love that too. So we are, again, one of the baddest Covert 2022s rolling out there on 22s and 37s. So we are leveled on 37s via the 2.5 inch ready lift coil spring level kit with Fox shocks, front and rear, and we are on Fuel Mavericks, 22 by 10 plus 20 on the offset, 37, 13.5, 22 Nido Ridge grappler. Now, let's pay homage and tribute to the Fuel Maverick, one of the top 10 wheels of all time. And some of you may not like that we run Fuel Rebels and Fuel Mavericks all the time, but it's one of the best wheels of all time. We're gonna run it. We're gonna run it a lot, y'all. And I'll probably come back to it and run it on my current vehicles in the future also, because it's that good. It's just a can't miss wheel option. Gotta love that. And gloss black and milled, so legit. Now up front, we took his valence and we trimmed that bad boy up, the trimmer size, looking so legit. And then we've got the BDS Fox dual steering stabilizer to make his stability and comfort at a premium. And then up front, did his blue to black on his emblem. Now, just if you did not do that, it wouldn't be a true, legit, next level Covert, because you'd have the blue in the emblem front and rear, and it just wouldn't flow. It's gotta flow, you know, it's gotta flow. So this truck's so money, y'all. You've seen a lot of trucks that we've done in a similar fashion, and it just works so well. But on a 22, it's just even more special. It's truly special. Come on around, Clay. Let's show them a good stand back side shot. I love the overall side angle. To me, the 37s look so much more proportional on a Super Duty. I mean, you can throw 35s, no problem, but to me, a 37 setup, Covert style, where you're not 4-inch lifted or 6-inch lifted, running a great overall wheel and tire combo, to me, this is the most legit proportional overall balance. I love the way this truck sits. From an everyday drivability standpoint, to me, this is that sweet spot. So I love this truck. And reach out to us for all your needs, y'all. We know what to do. We got you covered. Out back, we did a 4-inch rear block, and also we got Fox shocks in the rear, as we mentioned, rear wheel well liners, and mild to wild scale. Let's show them our stance from the back here. Even with that plus 20 offset, we're still sticking out, you know, a good 3.5 inches. So you don't have to go 0 offset or even a negative. You're gonna still stick out slightly. So this is a great overall balance to me of widening that track, so you got a little more stable base to it, and it just looks so much more muscular. We're all about that muscle. You know what, guys? So out back, this platinum tailgate, he and I talked what we wanna do here. We wanna black this whole thing out. We're thinking we got a lot of milling in our wheel, leaving a lot of the chrome. Let's flip it up and do just the letters black and then do the emblem to match the front. So let me know what you think about doing it kind of the opposite what we normally do and just doing the letters black and not doing the whole applique. I really do like it because think about this, y'all. You're driving down the road, you see a good looking truck, then you look at from the rear and you see that bold applique out back. You instantly know that truck's a platinum or something special. That's a legit truck just by that tailgate. That's one thing that makes these trucks so special, in that their packages, even back in the day, 2010, 11, Ford said, we're gonna put something special on the rear tailgate to notate this truck is next level. Many options on bed covers. To me, the most premium legit bed cover is the Pace Edwards bed locker. Power, of course. It has a nice coated texture on the slats here, and it has a great functionality. Pace Edwards is owned by Lear. This is a Lear product, so if you know anything about bed covers or bed caps, you know Lear's been in the game for a long time. A trusted source, great to deal with from a customer service standpoint also. And while we do power bed covers on anything leveled on 37s, if we can all help it, is because accessibility. Think about trying to slide this back, especially if you're not very tall. It's just cumbersome. So we want to do what's best for the customer, and that a powered functionality on this big of a truck is just the best way to do it. You don't have to deal with flipping a trifold back or retracting one on your tippy toes and sliding it back. The power option is just the way to go, no doubt. Now, the 22, we know we love that big screen. So we got the big 12-inch touch screen, just a great amenities and creature comforts, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor, twin pedal moonroof. We got the B&O audio, we got auxiliary switches galore. There's just so many goodies in this truck that, not to mention, it's got almost 500 horsepower and over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. It's got so much capability and the looks to go with it. It's a diamond, y'all. F250 Covert Edition, leveled on 37s for another great customer. It's another great day, y'all. Oh my gosh, Clay and I had a phenomenal Saturday filming trucks. We're rolling here today, knocking a lot of work out, and then it was like, we got another one, y'all. It's like, I feel like a lot of dealerships, this is like well, a lot of dealerships aren't doing this period, but I feel like that a lot of dealerships, this is something that they get once a month or every so often. We're knocking this stuff out on the real daily, y'all, on the daily. So we may have another one that pops up soon. So you gotta stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, because these trucks are rolling out. And instead of watching all of the negativity in the world as far as what the media is showing you, I feel like you tune into my channel, you're gonna get nothing but good vibes. That's what we're all about here. Positivity, beautiful trucks, and hopefully some big bucks to go along with it. And the dogs did win. My prediction was 42-9. I was close, but the dogs win against those kitty cats, and we got more kitty cats coming in from Kentucky. So you know we're going to be ready for that too, y'all. Thanks so much. Peace.